Another delivery came to the house, and inside this box is my next do-it-myself upgrade that I've been putting off for way too long. So let's jump in and see what we got. Well, here they are, my brand new LED headlights. I went with the Mopar LED units with halo because I know that may be a bit boring, but I'm kind of an OEM rube. You can get cheaper sets that do a lot more, like flash funky colors and all that, but that's just not me. All I want is quality and simplicity. Now let's get these weak, pathetic lights off my Jeep. I live in a well-lit city, so it hasn't been too much of a problem, but when I'm off the grid at night, I feel like I have no eyes on the road whatsoever. I feel like I'm just lost in darkness. The first thing I need to do is get this grill out of the way. To do that, I remove these plastic pop-up retainer clips. There's 6 of them, and with a flathead screwdriver, they pop right off. But save them, you're going to need them later. The directions tell you to remove the grill completely, but if you have a winch, it's not that easy. I discovered that I actually didn't need to fully remove it, just give myself enough room to work with. Getting these crappy halogens out is not that hard. Just remove the 3 10mm bolts holding them in place. Again, you'll need these bolts, so hang on to them for later use. Once you get the bolts out, the headlight is connected with just one plug. Simply pull it out to disconnect. These new LED headlights use the exact same connector, so it's just as easy as plugging it in. Put the housing back in place and bolt it in with the same screws we took out just a moment ago. Because I have no patience, I wanted to see what they look like right away and compare the old with the new. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I can see a huge difference in the garage. Now, do the exact same thing on the other side. Getting the grill back on was super easy. Just apply some pressure around the edges and it snaps back into place. Now, put the retaining clips back in. You may need to push on the grill a little bit just to get the holes lined up, but once you get the first couple in, the rest are easy. Test out the lights and you're almost done. There is one more step that you'll need to take, and that's to visit a Jeep dealer. The service department will have to flash the computer. This is necessary for 2 reasons. One, it'll activate your halo ring lights. Otherwise, they won't work. But it's also necessary to make the high beams work properly. I was able to walk into my dealership and they did what they needed to do in about 10 minutes and it cost me about $30. I'm sure it depends on your dealership, but shop around if you can. I had one dealer tell me it would cost $200 with no guarantees that it would work. And there we have it, an easy fix that made a world of difference.